Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Claudia Cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to Claudia Cook's Kitchen. How are you doing out there? Are you ready for some festive Caribbean cranberry and orange sticky ribs? Well, if you are, you're in the right place. All of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below. So what are we waiting for? Let's cook. Woohoo! Let's make the sticky glaze. In this jug, we have an orange juice from one large orange, and in goes 1 cup of cranberry sauce. In with the zest from the orange, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for acidity. This one is optional. This is a tablespoon of rum because we're talking about Caribbean theme and Christmas, so we can splash a bit in there as well. Up next, we have garlic and ginger. That's 3 cloves of garlic and a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Let's add some thyme. As you know, I love the smell of thyme. To that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let's mix this all up. Okay, let's have a taste. We're looking for a flavor of sweet, tangy, and warm at the same time. So let's see if we've achieved that flavor balance. I think we need a bit more acidity in that. Might even go in with some lime juice. Going in with half of a lime. I think that's just going to be perfect. Yes, let's get the ribs now. It's perfect. Okay, I've seasoned these up overnight, and all of the spices I use on this will be in the description box as mentioned in my intro. So let's get the baking dish out. I've lined it with some parchment and some foil, and now we are going to empty this all onto our tray. This is smelling so lovely. Okay, we are ready to pour some of the sauce that we made earlier over the ribs. We're going to reserve some for later to brush the ribs with. Wow, this is smelling so Christmassy in here. Okay, let's just pop a bit more over there. Let's cover and get in the oven. In the oven at 170 for 2.5 hours to 3 hours. But we'll check in intermittently just to make sure everything is cooking nicely and nothing is drying out. So I shall see you back in a little while. Whilst our ribs are cooking, let's reduce all of the leftover marinade. We're going to let that bubble away until it becomes really thick and syrupy, and I've added some fresh cranberry as well. So we're going to reduce that, and I'll see you around the corner when it's done. Our glaze is done. Okay, let's set that aside. Let's open this. This has been 2.5 hours, but I checked at the halfway point. Woo! Sorry about the steam. Wow. It's really smelling very Christmassy. It's falling off the bones. Wow. It smells divine with the orange, the cranberry. This is real Christmas flavor. And now we are just brushing them liberally with this sauce. we're going to get them in the oven on the grill, or turn the oven up to 200 for 12 to 15 minutes, but I'm putting them under the grill for about the same time. But please check in so they don't burn. You can see how rich that sauce is. I'm gonna get these back in the oven now. Look at our lovely ribs. Look how gorgeous and caramelized and sticky they are. Just taken out of the oven. Just going to let them rest for a bit because they're very hot, and then we'll plate up. Let's plate up. Look at this. Absolutely falling off the bone. Spoon over a bit of this delicious glaze. Flavorful, festive flavor. Just a bit more of this glaze. That's just a slice of orange that I simmered in with the glaze. We're putting a bit of thyme on here. We're just going to zest a bit of orange over here. A squeeze of lime juice just to brighten the flavors. And there you have it, my loves, my festive Caribbean cranberry and orange sticky ribs. Look at that. Look at the glaze and the stickiness on there. I know you want some. And check out my additions, my sides. We've got some cornbread here, potato salad, coleslaw, corn, and fried plantain. Thank you for spending some time in the kitchen with me. My faves, if you make this one, tag me, drop me a comment, and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family so you won't miss any of Claudie Cook's lovely recipes. Enjoy. Peace. Time for a taste test. Look at that. Thumbs up. Give this one a try. If you love ribs, you're going to love this flavor combination. It's absolutely yummy. Falling off the bone. It's so tender. I'm going to leave you now so I can go and enjoy my dinner. Peace. See you in the next video.
Claudie Cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely